In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a photo from Google Photos to your iPhone Photos app. First, open the Google Photos app on your iPhone. Make sure you're signed into the account where your photo is stored and that you have a solid internet connection, since downloading pulls the image from the cloud. Once you're in, you'll see your photo library. Find the photo you want to save to your device. You can simply browse your timeline or locate it in an album. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact shot you want, especially if you have similar versions or edits saved. Tap the photo to open it. This brings it into full view so you can check details like the crop, edits, and resolution. When you're ready, look to the top right corner and tap the three-dot menu. This menu contains actions specific to the photo you're viewing. A quick tip here. If you don't immediately see the menu, tap once on the screen to reveal the controls, as they sometimes hide when you're viewing the image. From the menu, choose Download or Save to Device. The wording can vary by app version, but both options do the same thing. They place a copy of the photo into your iPhone's Photos app. If you don't see the option, it may mean the photo is already on your device. In that case, downloading isn't necessary. When you tap the option, the app will begin the save process. Larger files or photos backed up in high quality may take a moment, especially on a slower connection. Once the save is complete, the photo will appear in your iPhone Photos app, usually in the Recents album. Open the Photos app to verify, and you should see it at the top of your library. If you use iCloud Photos, it will also sync across your other Apple devices under the same Apple ID, using your iCloud storage. Keep in mind that the photo is saved at the quality available in Google Photos. If the original was uploaded in compressed quality, that's what you'll download. Also note that this creates a local copy on your iPhone, which takes up device storage, so consider your free space if you're saving many images. That's all there is to it. Open Google Photos, pick your photo, use the three-dot menu, and tap Download or Save to Device. Your image is now safely stored in your iPhone Photos app and ready to share, edit, or back up with your usual Apple workflows.